I think that being in this kind of business, this small business, is every bit about the story as it is the product. And I think just the classic tenets of storytelling apply. The who, the what, the why, the where, and the how. And when people engage in that and learn, who are the people behind what I'm doing? Where does it get done? How does it get done? That's fascinating stuff. The name rickshaw is in fact a Japanese word. It comes from Jin Rickshaw, which means human strength vehicle. It was the name for the original human-powered taxi. A rickshaw is a sedan chair with 2 wheels and 2 sticks and a person-drawn cart.
So we call ourselves human-powered bags, but we're constantly, as we grow, adding these new systems and efficiencies and things that make us more streamlined and have a better experience for our customers. But at the end of the day, we're still super hands-on and we're super old-fashioned.
And it's just something about handling every product that leaves this building is like really important to me. And sometimes if I'm finding a little downtime in my day, I help trim bags or help cut something, or I need to touch things. I need to touch all the bags. It's pretty great.
We roll the door up every day, let the sun shine in and let the people come in. And there's no barrier between the factory and the front door. And we invite everyone to come on a little tour. Even on the weekends when we're not sewing, people still love to see the equipment because they see, oh wow, this is where it happens. And they'll see, there's work in process. So there's, even though you're not hearing or seeing the machines going, you can almost hear the echo of it from Friday, or you can anticipate that it's going to happen on Monday morning. And that's really the theater of manufacturing. And we don't see that anymore.
My favorite part of the job, just coming from a creative background, is the amount of creative license we're allowed to have here. We are all given an input on design, on the next product that's coming out. We all get to beta test things. I get to wear a lot of really cool bags before they come out.
My production team is 12 of the most amazing women I've ever met in my whole life. They're family and they're funny and they, every day they brighten my day every day.
Many a time I've come up to someone and said, hey, wow, that's a well-used bag, right? How would you like a new one? People look at me like, well, but I'm not going to give up this one. Because this stain I was in a cafe, when I proposed to my wife and she spilled coffee on the table, and that's where that stain came from. Or, I've raised 3 kids and this has been the diaper bag for every one of them. My wife would kill me if I ever lost this bag. I'm not a metaphysical person, but I think every bag that leaves here has a story attached to it that gives that bag just a little bit extra aura. When people get it, they have a little bit more appreciation for it. And so, that's good stuff.